Today we want to discuss about what we call variable. Variable. I want you to know something, that in life, at least you need to have two plans. You need to have two plans. If one work, if other won't work, you will pick the best. If one work, if other does not work, you will go for the one that is work. If one work, if the two, if they are not working, definitely you will leave it. You will go for another one, because if you stay in one point, there is a problem. Don't stay in one point. You know that I told you about movement, so don't stay in one point. So I will use quadratic equation to explain it very well for you. But I want you to subscribe, click like, comment, and then drop your message. Then give me video gift. So let me quickly explain variable. You know, I told you x can be money for some people, in which they are looking for x. X can be promotion. X can be another thing for the people. So let me quickly explain it for you. Now we can see, look at this equation. Look at this equation. In this place, we have x minus 3. Inside the bracket, we have x plus 4 inside the bracket. Everything equal to 0. In which this case, this one we call it expression. Equal to 0. They don't know the outcome of the two, but they know that definitely must equal to something. Now, by the time we continue to work it, we have x minus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 4 equal to 0. And then at the end of the day, x equal to 3, which is plus 3. While this one equal to minus 1. In this case, if you have answer like this, you need to have two plans. If one work, you will go for the one that is work. If like this one now, this one does not work, you will leave it. That is the reason you need to have two plans. In this year, make sure you have two plans. Make sure you have two plans. If one work, fine. If the two work, you will go for the best. Look at this one now. Look at this one now. In this case, the two, x equal to 3 or x equal to 4, the two work perfectly. But you will go for one out of the two. You can go for this. If you know that this one is preferable, you can go for this. But you will know that the two, they are work very well. Now look at this one now. Look at this one now. We have our answer. This one now, we have minus 3. This one, we have minus 1. It means that the two, no option. The two cannot work. Definitely, you will leave it. If you stay in one point, you will not achieve anything. In this year, by the time you continue to work, and then you discover that that thing cannot work for you, you don't need to limit yourself. If you fall, you need to rise. If you fall, you need to rise. Now, look at this one now. Look at this one now. Here now, x equal to 0 or x equal to 0. It means that no solution. If there is no solution for something, what you need to do is to try to manage the situation on ground. In this life, now, if you are planning and then you try to put everything in order, try to plan for two things. If one work, fine. If the second one does not work, you will go for the one that is work. Well, that is the logic of life. But if you stay in one point, there is no way you will achieve something. This is Famuriyo Alfred Ololuwa, Educational Enhancement. Thank you. God bless.